Voyages crew. My name is Lucy and today I am going to Razzle Dazzle and you are going to come with me. But firstly, I just want to address my voice. I know it's husky, I know it's going. Other than my voice, I am absolutely fine, so you're just going to have to bear with me, just like the rest of my team is having to bear with me not being able to talk properly. But it is embarkation day today, which means I have the evening off because for the shops to open we have to be 12 nautical miles out at sea and we're not going to get there in time for us to open, so I have the evening off, which is really exciting. So me and a few friends are going to go to Razzle Dazzle, which is one of the restaurants on board. I have not been since I was on last year in 2020, so I'm really excited to go back because from what I can remember the food was absolutely exquisite. So I'm going to put some makeup on now and get ready to go. I haven't actually worn foundation in so long because at work we like crews still have to wear their masks. We've been wearing our masks all the time, so I'm like, there's no point me putting foundation on for me just to cover it up with a mask. So when I'm going to work, I'm actually only like doing eyebrows and eye makeup because that's all anyone can see anyway. So far since being on board, I have eaten in the galley, I've eaten in the wake, which I vlogged, and I've eaten in extra virgin. I didn't vlog that though, I just didn't, but extra virgin was amazing. I mean, who doesn't love Italian food, right? You just can't go wrong with it. Well, I mean, you can go wrong with it, but they didn't go. It was great. And I think on the makeup front, that is me. Smells so nice. Okay, and that is me ready to go to Razzle Dazzle. All very casual. I'm just wearing a black top, an orange skirt and my Nike trainers. Razzle Dazzle is like a really casual restaurant, so you don't have to dress up at all. I am dressing up a little bit just because I know that the people I'm going with will be dressed up, but yeah, let's go. Oh wow, look at that. It's impressive, isn't it?
Chin chin, darling.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, thank you.
Right, so our food has just come and it looks incredible. This is, oh my god, what did I order? Oh, the nutty gazpacho. Nutty gazpacho, I think. What did you order?
Mushroom tartare.
Mushroom tartare, that looks divine. Another mushroom tartare.
This is the cob salad.
The cob salad.
Cob.
Oh, cob salad. That looks great. Mm.
Every morning you get a bagel, avocado. You did. Yeah, we can see each other.
This is a very good cocktail. This is the agave colada. Very nice. What did you get? Agave colada.
I got a Jim's bunny, which has got passion fruit and sparkling wine.
Very
And
nice.
cucumber.
Cheers.
Hot. It smells so good. Hello. Yes. Thank you so much. Wow. Thanks, Sarah.
So I ordered the ravioli, which looks incredible.
How are you? Everything.
Freddie, what did you go for?
The Impossible Burger and the ravioli.
This is my chicken.
And the ravioli, wow. I think I'm the only one that ordered one. Maybe I should have ordered 2 mains. What did you get? The salmon?
The salmon, and I also got fried chicken, like Lauren.
That looks fantastic. Woo! This is Patrick.
I gotta make sure she gets
Ravioli.
ravioli.
You were ordering 2 It's incredible. No, the fact is so good. This is one piece I will catch.
Have you ever been anything with bread? You use like bacon sandwich, sausage.
No, I think I just have to be like, you know what, maybe I will one day, but I think it would be a steak. I think it would be like a gorgeous steak. And it would have to be like a proper steakhouse. Like I'm not going to break it for just as lovely as it looks, fried chicken. Like it would have to be like something really special. But we will see, never say never.
Oh, blueberry cream. Butter's on. Oh my god!
Wow!
Let's surprise us on the way.
Yes.
Surprise on the way. Django on the way.
Apparently there's a surprise coming to the table, which is fun. Right, so we've ordered dessert. I went for the loaded cookies, and so did Freddie and Charles, and they look amazing. So I've got milk, the cookies, and then what's in here? Oh, that's the lid. And then it's just the lid. And then Lauren went for the vegan cookies, which look also lovely.
Pistachio.
That looks like a big fig roll and an Oreo, doesn't it? What it does!
Oh wow.
Wow. So what milk did you choose? Yeah! Thank you so much! Thank you, Angel.
So pretty.
Wow. Thank you. So lovely. They bought us some ice cream with like unicorn churros, which is really cute.
What to do now? Do you just eat the
Great. Oh wow. That's definitely get the cookies, guys.
What a nice idea. Look at the
Really nice. Simple but lovely.
I couldn't speak to them. Both of that too. The ice cream I'm telling you, my mind was far too big and it's much lighter. It's like my sword throat. I give me sorry, jolted. I was so thinking, it fucking flew across the room. Oh my god. Oh wow, look at the center of that. I need to watch that back.
Right, I'm just gonna go.
Oh.
Well, we have finished dinner. We're all absolutely stuffed. So now we are going to go to bed. The end of that sentence was go to bed, but my phone died, which actually I was like, well, that's perfect timing because it died at the end of the meal. So that was good. But anyway, I really hope you enjoyed watching that as much as I enjoyed my meal. I am probably going to sleep very, very well because I'm absolutely stuffed. That ravioli is like one of my favourite things ever, and that ravioli was up there. Like, it was very, very, very good. And the cookies, oh, it was just divine. Really, really lovely, relaxed restaurant. I really like Razzle Dazzle. And you know what, like, up until this point when people have said, like, what's your favourite restaurant, I've been like, oh, definitely Extra Virgin or The Wake. But Razzle Dazzle's up there. Like, I know every restaurant I go to, I'm like, okay, it just got so much harder to pick a favourite, which is obviously a great thing because the food is so good. But honestly, the food. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, let me know in the comments. And also, if you have any video suggestions, you can leave them down below, or you can DM me over on Instagram at cruisingascrew. But thank you again. I hope you have a fantastic rest of the evening, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.